Hello, I'm so excited you're here because today I'm going to share a sneak peek straight from inside our Google Groupies membership vault. This is your chance to get a taste of the time-saving, smart strategies and everyday skills that can help you feel more confident navigating your digital space. Google Groupies has educational content for a wide variety of Google apps, and today we're going to focus on this one. Let's dive into today's preview. I'm going to use some headings, and where this normal text is, you can actually apply a title, a subtitle, or different levels of headings like your outline. So this is the title, and I can just say apply title. This is, I guess that'll be my subtitle, right? That's what this is about. And now I have 4 headings. I have whys, ADHD, oils, and Google Calendar. So those are going to be heading 1. Those are the sections of my blog post, and I just say apply heading. Every time I do that, I'm adding a section into my Google Doc. So over here on the side, if you can't see this, it now will show me the different sections, and I can actually just click on it and it will take me straight to that heading. So these headings really are helpful. They help you make an outline of your document and also are clickable, and you can keep things straight. That is how many people are writing books these days, is with those headings. That is just a small taste of what's waiting for you inside Google Groupies, the ultimate membership for anyone who wants to transform chaos into clarity. If you're tired of feeling stuck or confused with Google Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, or tasks, and you're ready to feel more in control of your digital world, I've got you. Click the link in the description to join the Google Groupies membership and get instant access to a library of self-paced video lessons, bi-weekly live support calls for your real-time questions, and a welcoming, supportive community of people just like you who want to learn, explore, and feel confident using Google tools. So go ahead, hit that link and join us inside. I'll see you there.